Welcome back to my channel SMS Tech Desk. Let's talk about the reverse proxy used in VMware NSX Manager. In NSXT, NSX Manager itself uses a built-in reverse proxy, mainly to control and route incoming web and API requests to internal services. Here's how it works. User enters the NSX Manager URL, example https://nsx-manager.example.com, in their browser. The request first hits the NSX reverse proxy component, part of the NSX Manager service. The reverse proxy acts as an intermediary between clients and the actual NSX Manager application. The reverse proxy terminates the SSL-TLS connection, so backend services like Policy Manager don't need individual certificates. The reverse proxy forwards the request to the appropriate backend service within NSX Manager. NSX Manager is a multi-service appliance. It hosts various internal components like the Policy API, Manager API, UI backend, certificate service, and more. Instead of exposing each of these services directly on different ports, NSX Manager uses a reverse proxy architecture. That means all HTTPS traffic comes through a single endpoint, usually on port 443. The reverse proxy listens at the front and forwards requests internally to the correct service based on the URL path. For example, a request to Policy API v1 is routed to the Policy Manager service. This design helps NSX Manager simplify service exposure. Only port 443 is open. So next time you access NSX Manager via UI or API, remember, your request is being reverse proxied internally, intelligently routed to the right backend service, all through a single, secure endpoint. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives like this.